Who's the bed? Alright, come, take this. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. We are now here. Yeah, this is your beautiful couches. When you come back from a gig, come back from work, just chill here and rest. Wow. Yeah. And then from here, where's the CD? Okay. Here's your CD. Here's your CD.
Is this like flat TV?
It is. You'll see. You will see. Samsung.
Kaifa.
65-inch. Smart TV.
Petals.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's gold.
It's gold.
Walking on gold.
Golden wings.
Oh my god.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Golden pancakes. Wow. Oh my god.
I love it. Let's see. Huh? Yeah? Oh, it's a mirror. Don't scare me. They said he was on president.
No.
Okay, no, I don't know how to open this. I'm not even gonna try, child. It's a Hisense fridge. That's all you need to know.
Thank you, Lily.
And the color, guys, and the color is this gray or charcoal?
Beep.
The color is silver.
Silver.
Yeah.
Finally, someone is going to eat.
Finally.
That's me.
It's a blender.
Finally.
Hi, whoa. Repeat.
Oh, these are glasses. I'm not gonna open it.
Wow.
First of all, I have a cup for my coffee.
Wow.
Because you know,
I think.
What is it?
are you kidding me?
Oh wow. A snack toaster. Oh my. Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. How are you all doing today, guys? Like I keep telling you, you can trust me to bring you the gist, updates, happenings and all the buzzwords happening in and out of Big Brother Bbmzansi's house. Yes guys, a lot is already happening outside Big Brother Bbmzansi's house. As I speak to you right now, the show is giving what it expected to give aside. Guys, like we all know, this is Verified Gist Blog. If you are yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and when you do so, please turn on notification bell so you'll be notified and I will post new videos for your viewing pleasures. Hey guys, it's safe to say right now that South Africans are really learning from Nigeria. It's really safe to say that they are really learning from Nigeria. Remember, before now, South Africans don't do this buying of gifts, buying of house, buying of cars. They don't do it. But continuously watching Nigerians pamper and take good care of their faves, they decided to follow suit. And I must tell you, I love the fact that they are copying something good from Nigeria. Yes. So guys, a lot of the housemates have been receiving gifts, of which Z happens to be the most gifted. Before today, Z happens to be the most. She has gotten 2 times gifts already. They have done first gifting, second gifting and all of that. So everybody have been anticipating for Liema's own, of which it happened today. Liema's fan decided to gift her own package, and guys, what guys, a house, a well furnished house, fridge, everything that she will need to stay in that house was being gifted to her. And I want to say a very big congratulations to her. It's not easy at all. And a very big thank you to these fans. Yes, so these fans, they are doing too much. Like, it's not easy. Somebody you don't know from anywhere, you don't know them from Adams, you just like them, and start supporting them. Guys, I must tell you, it's really not easy. It's something else. It's something else, I must tell you. So I want to say very big congratulations to Liema on this winning, because it's a win, you know. It's a winning, and thank God that she came for Big Brother. Just like this said, that thanks to her mom for allowing her come. Thank God that they came. Oh, if not, oh, in short, they would have worked to get this, but now they are getting it free of charge, and it's something to be happy about, of which we know that this housemate, they are really happy about it. All right, guys, continue watching the video.
Is this like flat TV?
It is, you'll see. You will see.
Samsung.
Kaifa.
65-inch.
Smart TV.
Petals.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's gold.
It's gold.
Walking on gold.
Golden wings.
Oh my god.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, golden pancakes. Wow. Oh my god.
I love it. Listen. Huh? Yeah? Oh, it's a mirror. Don't scare me. They said he was on president.
No.
Okay, no, I don't know how to open this. I'm not even gonna try how. It's a Hisense fridge. That's all you need to know.
Thank you, Lily.
And the color, guys.
And the color is
Gray or charcoal?
Beep.
The color is silver.
Silver.
Yeah.
Finally, someone is going to eat.
Finally!
That's me.
It's a blender.
Finally! Whoa. Rip it.
Oh, these are glasses. I'm not gonna open them.
Wow.
First of all, I have a cup for my coffee.
Wow.
Because you know, I think.
What is it?
Are you kidding me?
Oh wow, a snack toaster. Oh my.